In this video, you will learn how to install the Go device using a Geotab Standard 16-pin T-harness kit. A GMC Sierra Denali has been used for this demonstration. Geotab Standard 16-pin harness kit is used for multiple types of OBD2 installations. There are several mounting adapters for different vehicle types. Refer to the insert included in the package to determine the adapter for your specific vehicle, make, and model. You may need a variety of tools, depending on your vehicle type. Some vehicles may require additional tools. Make a note of your Go device's serial number for future reference. In most vehicles, the diagnostic port is located under the driver's dashboard. Remove the diagnostic port from its factory location. Verify that you are using the correct adapter for the diagnostic port. For this vehicle, adapter 1-2U will be used. Begin by preparing the harness. Insert the desired mounting adapter onto the short harness from the end of the male Molex connector. Next, connect it to the T-harness. Ensure it locks in place. In some vehicles, additional dash panels may be removed. Attach the diagnostic port to the male end of the harness. Ensure it is locked into place. Secure the connection using a cable tie. Trim any excess tie. Next, take the female short end of the harness that was prepared earlier and mount it into the factory diagnostic port location. Attach the female long end of the harness to the Go device. You will hear 6 beeps and see a momentary flash from the red, blue, and green LEDs. Secure the harness and the Go device using a cable tie. Trim any excess tie. When mounting a Go device, ensure the bottom has a good line of sight to the sky, with minimal metal obstructions. Mount the device to a solid part of the frame. Use at least 2 cable ties. Trim any excess tie. To ensure the quality of data, the Go device must not move in any way. Next, secure any excess wiring under the dash using cable ties. Trim any excess tie. Turn on the ignition to verify the device is working properly. First, the LEDs on the front of the device will start blinking once the device connects and receives power. Then, The LEDs will turn solid once the device configures and connects back to the network. The red light indicates ignition detection, green indicates cellular network connection, and blue indicates GPS network connection. Reattach the dash panel that you removed earlier. Apply pressure to ensure the clips snap back into place. The installation is now complete.